Do you?
Like this?
Yeah.
No.
Они обязательно.
Do you like to knit or to draw? Knit. To do, yeah? Embroidery. To knit. To knit.
Tricoter, ouais, faire les trucs qu'on a fait hier, quoi. Comme ça, on sait pas trop le faire. But we don't really know how to do it. I think
It's not in school.
No.
Not in school, не в школе, at home, yeah?
No.
Maybe.
Didn't you do such things? Not? Such work?
Yes, it's not that
No.
Not in school?
It's not really creativity.
То есть немного они это делают.
Креативно.
Креативно.
Теперь вопрос задам.
Умственными действиями.
Вам понравилось в этой школе? Первое впечатление о школе?
Did you like it also? What is the impression? What is the first impression of visiting this school?
I hope that you are very positive about us.
Поделитесь, скажите.
Yes. Tell some words about your expressions.
My expression? C'est quoi?
Impression.
Impression.
Yeah, your impression.
We very like this
Work.
Exhibition.
Yes, I think we have to do this in France because it's very inspiring for children to create things. I don't know if that makes sense.
Это очень полезно делать такие вещи детьми в
It's
школе.
motivating for them.
Является большой мотивацией для них.
You do more things that we do.
Они делают, вы умеете намного больше, чем мы.
Thanks.
Okay, we are glad you have such positive impressions. And now we are going to show you the next exhibition. The fourth piece from pupils and the teacher Muzaka Branco will tell you about Tata national costume. And we thought that it would be much easier for you if you take this paper variant. Excuse me, please. Although modern society wears more European clothes, nevertheless, from time to time on holidays, women and men dress up in their traditional costumes and remember the history of their people. These are our national costumes, the men's and women's. Thank you, boys and girls. Спасибо вам большое.
Хотя современное общество носит больше европейскую одежду, тем не менее, время от времени на праздниках женщины и мужчины наряжают свои традиционные костюмы и вспоминают историю своего народа.
All our people like to wear their traditional costumes.
participants pendant cette fête habillés dans ces costumes nationaux.
What is your name? Lydia. Lydia.
Marie.
Татьяна.
Randa.
Randa.
Oui.
Do you have Instagram?
Современный вопрос. Do you have Instagram?
Yes, elle demande son Instagram. Yes, do you want to?
Можете с ними, да, можете селфи сделать и в Инстаграме отметить. Это же современно, ребята, конечно, давайте.
Аня?
On a donné?
Questions.